Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of join in server on the application of Gmail. You will click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search for Gmail app. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.